Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add another account on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, tap on your Facebook app on your mobile phone. You can see we are logged in with our account. Now to add another one, we have to tap on this profile icon given in the bottom right and simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on Logout. Now tap on this Logout again. Now we will find this kind of interface. So right over there, if you want to simply add another account, you have to tap on this option of log into another account. Here in the section, simply go ahead, enter your mobile number or email that is associated with your account and your password and tap on login. Afterwards, you will be able to log into your account just like that. So for instance, once you have logged in with that account, and let's say this is the account we logged in with, right? Afterwards, if you tap on this profile like menu icon again in the bottom right, and here in the section you will find your accounts information on top and this little drop down icon. If we tap on it, we will be able to find the other accounts that we have logged in on our Facebook, and if you want to simply switch to, we can simply tap on it, and now we will be able to switch to that particular account, right? That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.